Well, welcome back. Today I bought a car. I need to practice because my plan is to shoot a real car in a few weeks, hopefully outside somewhere. And I need to practice a bit, so I bought a small Lamborghini, plastic, crappy quality unfortunately, but I was thinking maybe it's possible to make it look realistic even though it's a small crappy plastic car. Let's try. So this is the car. You see all this sand. The car is out in the desert, you know. And it's flour that I fried in a frying pan very hard, and then it becomes brown, and then I just splash it out. And I also I made some trees. I know there's no focus, but this small tree I made, it's just something I found outside. There I put some crap, and there is a stone. There's another small tree, and that's it actually. And I needed to have like a background, like a sunset. So I went to Adobe Stock and I downloaded one sunset and printed it out, and that's what you see back there. I printed out and then just placed them on this board. I want the sunset to just be in the frame there. Maybe around there. Maybe we can move the car a bit. Maybe somewhere around there. Yes, here's the stone. And here is tree number 1. Here is another shit I found, and there is another tree I made. And here we have the sunset in the desert. Okay. Focus back on the car. And how do we start? Well, I have 3 flashes. C, B and A. Let's start with C. I take a shot, completely dark. And then I put on the C, head on. And there is a bit of light. I want to make this sunset look a bit more realistic, so I'm shooting a flash on the sun. I'm shooting the flash on the printed sun. The printed suns are shooting the flash on the printed suns in the sunset. Flash. What do we get? Yes, you see to the left, a bit more sun. So that flash number 1. And then we can put on number 2, B, flash, head on, bow. And then I take a shot. And this is the light that will light up the car. It's a bit harsh, so I'm blocking the light a bit, but not all the way. On the car, I would like it to be, it's a sunset, it's a bit softens up, but at the same time, I want to have it quite small. The edges of the shadows will be edgy, sharp, because if you take another one now, when I put up the diffusion, hopefully will be a bit softer, a tiny bit. And then, because I want to have this sharp line from the sun over there, it goes passing by and lighting up the sand behind the car, you see to the right there, because we cannot lit the car from behind now, because we only want to have like a motivated light from the sun, from the background. It can only be light coming from one direction, otherwise it will look fake, okay? So, the third flash number A, let's turn it on, and that is just an overall light. I'm hitting it in the roof, in the ceiling. I'm hitting it in the ceiling, and it will be like an overall soft, not that harsh light. Let's take a shot and see. It's more like an overall light. The sun, the printed sun, is lit up, and at the same time we faking it, like putting the flash, the sun on the side, and it will come hitting the tree and hitting the car. and it will be a nice reflection on the side. It will become a bit softer thanks to this diffusion. Okay, and that's it actually. Let's take another one. Yeah. This car happens to be, if I go reverse, the lights will go on the car. So long exposure for the lights, but I need to lift it up a bit, the car, and then we will fix it in Photoshop. So I'll have to lift it up so it doesn't take off, you know. So let's do this. And then we need to shut down. And then I need to set up the camera. I will change the shutter speed to, let's try 4 seconds. What did we get? Well, not that bad, I would say. I have no idea if it will look realistic. I think this car is it's too cheap. I need to buy something more fancy. There are really good models for this. You need to get one of those, because this one is too plasticky. And but we will make a try and see how it will look. Okay, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. And there will be a new video coming out soon. See you next time.